Okay, everyone, so I managed to log on to my virtual machine. Then I'm going to show you how to install the XAMPP in this virtual machine. So XAMPP is a platform for the web development based on the any operating system, Mac, Windows, or Linux. Then A for Apache web server, and then after that M for the MariaDB or MySQL. Then P for the PHP, and the other one is for the Perl, yeah, the Perl scripting language. So first, of course, you have to download the XAMPP, yeah, XAMPP download. I have done that before previously, so I'm not going to repeat again, but I just show you where you can get the XAMPP. Yeah. Okay. So this Apache friends. Yeah. You can download. I download just now the this one. The versions, the old, slightly older version, more stable. Yeah. You can check the requirement, but you click download. I have already downloaded. Yeah. And you can find here in the download this. Okay. So very easy. Just double click. And then follow the instructions to install the product. Important because activated user account UAC on your system, yeah, are possibly restricted with UAC. Please avoid to install them to C program files, yeah, or deactivate UAC with msconfig. Yeah, okay. So that's okay because we're going to install on the C XAMPP. Okay, you can choose, yeah, which component. I just use the default, yeah, to install everything. Next, then choose the default folder. If you want to use a different folder, you can change here, but I suggest to leave the default setting. Okay, so this not empty, then I'm going to delete first. Yeah. So C has the docs, same, yeah. So I will delete this. Okay, okay, yeah. Then next, yeah. Okay, English ready. Yeah. Okay, good. Okay, so this will take a while. And let's have a look at the just now the W2 school PHP tutorial. Yeah. Intro, yeah, then after that install. You can also install the PHP only with the Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Okay, yeah. Then this is a very simple PHP script. You can embed the PHP script in the HTML file, or you can name the file with the extensions PHP. Okay, yeah, okay, do while, yeah, okay. And you can learn from scratch, or you can also learn combined with the AI. Yeah. I don't restrict you from using the AI as long as you don't just copy paste. Yeah. So for example, to get the idea if something is really new for you, you can use AI to help you to uh, make yourself familiar faster. So here in the Windows, we have the Copilot. Yeah. And then in the virtual machine, you also have the Copilot. Here, you can click the Copilot. The Copilot can help you a lot, yeah, like creating the yeah, art space. Okay, what's your mind today? Yeah, okay. So quick response, yeah. So I am a new beginner in a PHP. I want to create a new page in a PHP to display the uh hello world. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Help me to create it. This is a prompt. Yeah. Okay. Absolutely, yeah. So create a new file, then after that the PHP hello world. Okay, like this, yeah. So copy, then after that you go here. So in the SAM, yeah, the default folder is htdocs. This one, yeah. Okay, so you can create, for example, a new text document. After that, hello.php. Okay, like this, yeah. Yes. Okay, then after that, open with Notepad, then type this one, yeah. Hello world.php. Okay, then let's see the installation. Okay, almost done, yeah. But mostly the uh, Apache already copy. You see here the htdocs already created. Okay, just wait for a while for these installations to complete. Okay, so wait for a while for this to complete. Yeah, won't be taking so long. Okay, creating the uninstaller. Okay, done, yeah. You want to start control panel now? Control panel is the console, yeah, to start, yeah. Okay, so Apache, I'm going to start. Normally, my database is started first, yeah. And then the Apache. Yeah. Wait for this to change to checkbox screen, yeah. Okay, already done. Okay, this is to stop the service. Okay, so both are running already. Yep. Except for the port 80 and 443. Okay, so now let's go to the browser. Then after that, we access with the localhost. Localhost, enter. Okay, yeah, Apache and friend. So here, this is a dashboard, and just now we have the hello.php. Okay, hello world. Yeah, so the PHP is ready. Yeah, and then you have here the folder htdocs. Yeah, this htdocs is the SAM Apache installation. If you want to create your application, then you create a folder here, new, for example, after the folder, and then Ryan app, yeah, Ryan web app, for example, yeah, this is Ryan web app, and in the Ryan web app, I create a new, for example, text document, and then index dot HTML. Okay, after that, we edit with the notepad. Okay, yeah, so here HTML. Okay, after that the head, body, and then after that the title. Okay, you can construct, yeah, welcome to Ryan's website. My keyboard up the single quote is broken. Cannot, yeah. Okay, body. Okay, then after that the body. Okay, then after that the H1, yeah. Hello everyone. Welcome to Ryan's website. Okay. Yep. So like this. Save. Yeah. So remember the name is Ryan underscore web app. So here, uh, localhost, and then Ryan web app. Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to Ryan's website. So you already set up the SAM and ready for next step, which is build your website. So the platform is already installed. If you want to, you can use Notepad like what I did, yeah. But if you want to use a Visual Studio, then you can install the Visual Studio. Okay, so I stop the recording first, then I'm going to show you how to install the Visual Studio code.